It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following. Why is my dog coughing up white foam? Causes of your dog vomiting or coughing up white foam can come from a variety of different sources, and you can more easily figure out by finding out if your dog is coughing, vomiting, or regurgitating. Here I tell you how to differentiate and the causes of each symptom. 1. The cough. Coughing in dogs is a lot like coughing in people. If your dog is coughing up white foam, the foam usually comes out at the end of a coughing episode. The causes of coughing up white foam are as follows: kennel cough or respiratory virus, heart disease, pneumonia, collapse of the trachea, vomiting. Vomiting requires abdominal effort. Before vomiting, your dog's abdomen will wobble as the abdominal muscles contract, causing your dog to gag. You may vomit white foam if your dog is producing and swallowing too much saliva, which is a sign of nausea. The causes of white foam vomiting are as follows: dietary indiscretion, like getting into the trash can, obstruction of the stomach or intestines, which can occur if your pet eats an item such as a toy or sock, gastric bloating or dilation, which is when the stomach swells and then twists, gastroenteritis due to infection, and food allergies. 2. Your dog regurgitates. Regurgitation can be difficult to differentiate from vomiting. Regurgitation occurs passively. If your pet is spitting up white foam without any forceful movement or noise preceding it, it is likely that he is regurgitating. White foam regurgitation is uncommon. In puppies, regurgitation can be due to congenital conditions or serious diseases such as parvovirus. In adult dogs, the presence of a dilated esophagus, irritation of the esophagus, or a neurological condition that affects swallowing or the movement of food through the digestive tract can cause regurgitation. 3. Is coughing up white foam an emergency? Once you determine if your dog is coughing, vomiting, or regurgitating white foam, you ask yourself, is it an emergency? Seek immediate veterinary attention if you notice any of the following signs: shallow and rapid breathing, breathing that requires a lot of effort, pale or bluish gums, repeated coughing, vomiting, or retching, severe diarrhea, swollen abdomen, pain in the abdomen when lifting your dog, weakness, lethargy, disorientation. If you think it is an emergency, take your pet to the emergency veterinary service. In non-emergencies, you should still call your vet to make an appointment. A dry cough followed by gagging with white foam is often kennel cough and may be accompanied by a mild discharge from the eyes and nose. Collapse of the windpipe, which is common in small dogs, can cause a hacking cough when your dog is excited. This condition can become serious over time, so it's a good idea to keep a close eye on your dog, even if it's a chronic condition. 4. Treatment. Treatment depends on the underlying cause of the cough, vomiting, or regurgitation of white foam. Usually, your vet will at least recommend x-rays to find out what's going on. If there is an infectious cause, your vet may prescribe antibiotics, antifungals, or medications that kill parasites. Sometimes the vet recommends cough suppressants to reduce a dry cough. For vomiting, your vet may recommend fluids, intravenously or under the skin, anti-nausea medications, dietary changes, and antacids. In cases of obstruction or a swollen abdomen, surgery may be necessary. In adult dogs, regurgitation is reduced by lifestyle management, such as feeding your dog upright or changing the consistency of your pet's diet. 5. How to prevent your dog from coughing up white foam. Vaccination and monthly preventives can help prevent several infectious causes of coughing up white foam, such as the distemper virus. During his vaccination appointments, your vet will also listen to your dog's heart and lungs, which can help detect common heart conditions early. Reducing your pet's access to trash or swallowable items can also decrease your pet's risk of developing gastrointestinal upset that leads to white foam vomiting. If your pet has had a coughing or vomiting episode, contact your vet for advice on how to prevent future episodes. Most causes of white foam regurgitation cannot be prevented, but are managed by lifestyle changes to your pet with the recommendation of a veterinarian. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.